Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view your recent video captures on your Xbox Series X, and this is easy to do. Just press the Xbox button, then tab on over to where it says Captures and Shares. Then you can see recent captures right here. So let's select it. So it looks like I have Fortnite 101 days ago, then Minecraft 3 years ago. So I haven't played Xbox a whole lot. Let's go to this Halo Infinite picture, see what it is, so we can view it under here. It looks like I was just messing around in the Forge or something. Yeah, not much going on there. But we can get back to this page and go to recent captures. Or otherwise we can go to show all captures down here. And then we can see everything on our Xbox that we ever took a video clip of. So here's me playing Fortnite. So you have all these different options under here too, like where you can rename it and you can share it. You can copy it over to a USB storage device, upload it to OneDrive. So that'd probably be the easiest method on getting it over to your computer, but if you have a USB thumb drive, you can transfer it with that as well. But that's how you can view your recent captures on your Xbox Series X. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.